A major setback for Trump's immigration policies. Federal judge strikes down asylum restrictions at the southern border. By Melissa Quinn, politics reporter, CBS News. In a significant decision that challenges President Trump's immigration approach, a federal judge has blocked the president's plan to drastically limit access to the U.S. asylum system. This ruling marks a critical moment in the ongoing legal struggles over immigration policies in the United States. On Wednesday, U.S. District Judge Randolph Moss ruled against the directive, which had been a cornerstone of Trump's second-term immigration strategy. Moss's decision supports 13 asylum seekers and 3 immigrant advocacy groups, who contended that Trump's proclamation, issued on his first day back in office, was unlawful. This proclamation had aimed to restrict most migrants from the southern border from seeking asylum or relief from deportation due to potential persecution. However, Judge Moss determined that the Immigration and Nationality Act, INA, and the U.S. Constitution do not grant the executive the wide-ranging powers outlined in the presidential proclamation. Here's a critical takeaway. Judge Moss pointed out that the Constitution and existing federal laws do not give the president the unilateral power to establish a new immigration system that overrides congressional statutes. This decision underscores the importance of maintaining the rule of law and the checks and balances of our democratic system. But here's where it gets controversial. The judge's ruling might reignite debates among policymakers and the public about the separation of powers and how immigration policies should be shaped. This stance taken by the Trump administration has drawn sharp criticism from rights groups and legal experts who argue that it disregards fundamental rights and legal safeguards. And this is the part most people overlook. The judge's order isn't just a victory for individual rights. It's a reaffirmation of the principle that any changes to the immigration law must be carried out through legislative processes, giving Congress its role in shaping homeland security laws. What do you think about this legal setback for Trump's immigration agenda? Is this a victory for upholding the rule of law, or does it complicate efforts to manage border security? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments.